What's up, sneaker family? In this video, I'll be showing you how to repair damage and tread loss on your midsoles before you do a repaint. And we're going to take our midsoles from looking something like this to more like this over here. Also, we will combine this video with another restoration video we did in the past about how to repair minor dents or gashes in your midsole before repainting. And please stay tuned to the end for more bonus footage to learn how to repair damaged elephant print on Air Jordan Cement 3s. Okay, so the tool you're going to need for this job is called a wood burner. Links to all tools and supplies used in my videos will be in the description or in the comments. Okay, so let's get back to it. Now you want to be really careful with this tool because all the metal areas of it can get really hot. So a tip here to keep my hand steady as I recreate the tread of the imprint on the midsole, I just put my hand under my wrist. I don't press too hard or too deep while I'm doing the job. I just let the tool do the work. As I'm using the tool, I'm not actually pressing in the midsole with the burner. I'm using more of a sliding or dragging type motion. Once I come to a corner, I'll make a small dab with the burner and then turn the tool if necessary when I go around curves. I'm not worried if the lines are not perfect because once we paint over it with the paint, it's gonna fill the gaps and it's gonna end up looking a lot more natural. And here are the final results. Now let's move on to the elephant print. You can see we got a lot of damage here. Now, when we're rebranding the elephant print, we're able to stay on the material a bit longer because we're working with suede. So around 6 seconds of burning in one particular area, you should start to see the imprint take form and it should begin to turn black. Just do your best here to connect the lines and the dots. Prepping the elephant print this way before you repaint or do a touch-up will make it look a lot more professional. And please stay tuned to the end for more bonus footage on how to repair minor dents and gashes in midsoles. And here are the final results. Some breads here, and as you can see we got some indents in the midsole, so I'm gonna show you how to get rid of that, like little dents. Now we got some Gorilla Glue, 220 sandpaper, and some baking soda. I only recommend this in like get that off here, like non-stressful areas. Like this isn't in a bad spot. If you could see this little dent right here. Okay, so as long as it's not in a very stressful area, you could use this method. We're gonna just fill that in with our Gorilla Glue. I'm gonna dump the baking soda on top. Okay, like so. I'm gonna get something to press so I don't use my hand. Press that in there. Okay. Blow it off, or you know, dust it off. And now we have that little dent filled in. Just get your sandpaper, sand that down. And like I said, this is for like non-stressful areas. It's not gonna be a lot of stress in this area, and it's not really that deep. So it's you'll be fine. Like you can get away with doing this. I wouldn't do this in an area where you're gonna get a lot of like bending and a lot of like where it would smash at or something like that really heavily. But little stuff like this, like, you're good. Got another little one, we'll do it one more time. We got two right here. I'll put in the glue. Some Gorilla Glue. Baking soda. And we're gonna move quick. Smash it down. Okay. Dust it off. And now we got those two little spots. You can see how sturdy it is. I can still bend and push. Okay. You can still, but these are very, like I said, they're very sturdy. So you don't have to worry about that too much. Get your sandpaper. You know, if you don't like it, put a little bit more until you like it. Just keep sanding and you're good. Okay, you can save yourself a little bit of stress with the sanding. Just put it in some needle nose pliers like so and sand right in there. Get a fresh piece. Down. Always have some fresh paper, it's always more effective. You can see that there. They ask if it's bendable or is it flexible. Once you do that, yes it is. Like I said, it was not, the area that I'm putting it in is not too deep and it's not in a bad spot. You know what I'm saying? It's not where, you know, areas over here or at the front where the thing is really bending, you know. This is for like static areas. You got a little hole, you got a little gash, little dot like that. Put your baking soda over the top, smash it down. Got your little dot right there. Okay. And sand till smooth. There you go. You filled in your little dents. It's a little chip right here. I also will fill that with paint too. I'll do that. But if I'm moving quick, I'll use the Gorilla Glue, sandpaper, and baking soda method. Hey, my name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in reglues and patent leather repairs. And I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available. And I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned and thank you again.